TNPSC Combined Statistics Services Exam Unit 3. Our next topic is Poisson distribution. Poisson distribution is a limiting case of binomial distribution under the following conditions. The first condition is n, that is the number of trials, is indefinitely large. The second condition is p, the constant probability of success for each trial, is indefinitely small. The third condition is np is equal to lambda is finite. Thus, p is equal to lambda by n and q is equal to 1 minus lambda by n. So, we can define a Poisson distribution as a random variable x is said to follow a Poisson distribution if it assumes only non-negative values and its PMF is given by p of x is equal to small x is equal to e raised to minus lambda raised to x divided by x factorial for x is equal to 0, 1, 2, etc. and 0 for all other values of x. Poisson distribution is denoted as p of x comma lambda. Let us see some real life examples of Poisson distributions. The first one is calls per hour at a call center. That is, call centers use the Poisson distribution to model the number of expected calls per hour that they will receive, so they know how many call center representatives to be keep on staff. Another example is the number of arrivals at a restaurant. Restaurants use the Poisson distribution to model the number of expected customers that will arrive at a restaurant per day. Another example is the number of website visitors per hour. Website hosting companies use the Poisson distribution to model the number of expected visitors per hour that websites will receive. Now let us see some model questions related to the topic Poisson distribution. Question number 1. What is the PMF of Poisson distribution? The answer is p of x is equal to small x is equal to e raised to minus lambda raised to x divided by x factorial for x is equal to 0, 1, 2, etc. and for all other values of x the PMF is 0. Question number 2. What is the mean of Poisson distribution? The answer is lambda. Question number 3. What is the variance of Poisson distribution? The answer is lambda. Question number 4. For a Poisson distribution, mean and variance are dash. The answer is equal. Question number 5. What is the moment generating function of Poisson distribution? The answer is e raised to lambda into e raised to t minus 1. Question number 6. What is the characteristic function of p x lambda? The answer is e raised to lambda e raised to it minus 1. That is e raised to lambda into e raised to it minus 1. Question number 7. For Poisson distribution, the first 3 moments and all cumulants are equal to dash. The answer is lambda. Question number 8. What is the measure of skewness in case of a Poisson distribution? The answer is beta 1 is equal to 1 by lambda or gamma 1 is equal to 1 by square root of lambda. Question number 9. What is the measure of kurtosis in case of a Poisson distribution? The answer is beta 2 is equal to 3 plus 1 by lambda or gamma 2 is equal to 1 by lambda. Question number 10. From the measure of skewness and kurtosis, the Poisson distribution is dash skewed and curve is dash. The answer is positively skewed and leptokurtic. Question number 11. Recurrence formula for Poisson distribution is dash. The answer is P of x plus 1 is equal to P of x into lambda by x plus 1. Question number 12. Recurrence relation for moments of a Poisson distribution is dash. The answer is mu r plus 1 is equal to lambda into d mu r by d lambda plus r lambda mu r minus 1. Question number 13. Independent Poisson variates possess dash property. The answer is additive or reproductive property. Question number 14. If x1 and x2 are two independent Poisson variates, then x1 plus x2 follows dash. The answer is P of x1 plus x2, comma, lambda 1 plus lambda 2. Question number 15. What is the PGF or probability generating function of Poisson distribution? The answer is e raised to t minus 1. Question number 16. If x and y are two Poisson variates with means lambda 1 and lambda 2 respectively, then the conditional distribution of x given x plus y is dash. The answer is binomial. Question number 17. If x1 and x2 are two independent Poisson variates, then x1 minus x2 is dash. The answer is not a Poisson variate. This property of Poisson variate is called subtractive property. Question number 18. If lambda is not an integer, the mode of Poisson distribution is dash. The answer is the integer part of lambda. Question number 19. If lambda is an integer, the modes of Poisson distribution are dash. The answer is lambda and lambda minus 1. Question number 20. A gear manufacturing company expects that the chance of a gear being defective is 1 by 200. The gears are supplied in boxes of 10 gears. Find the probability that there are 2 defective gears in a box of 10 gears. Also, calculate the number of boxes containing 2 defective pieces out of 10,000 boxes. The answer is 0.0012 and 12. Question number 21. A Poisson distribution has a double mode at x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. What is the probability that x will have one or the other of these two values? The answer is 4 times e raised to minus 2, that is equal to 0.542.